Hello everyone, I am Efay Kuchelik. I am an electrical and electronics engineering student at Bilkent University. I will present my Physics 102 project, the Phys102 Bridge method. I will start my purpose of the project. The essential goal of this project work is utilizing a Phys102 bridge and Kirchhoff laws for the aim of identifying the resistance of a resistor of unknown value. Before starting the experiment, we need some equipment in order to set up the circuit. These are a bunch of cable. Let's start with a 1000 ohms, DC power supply, resistors with different values, LED, ampere meter, ruler. Although the experiment is based on a single process, I divided into the experiment too, because I will repeat the experiment with different resistors. Initially, Q is unknown resistance value. P and R represent known resistance values. S is resistance of the rheostat. Moreover, IP represents the current that flowing A to D. IQ is current that flowing D to C. IR is current that flowing B to C. IS is current that flowing A to B. And ultimately, V represents the power supply, DC power supply. This picture symbolizes the circuit. The first thing to do in order to find the unknown resistance is to set the current through the multimeter to 0. The final value on the multimeter is as in the figure. Then the measurement is made at the point where the rheostat stops. In the calculation part, there is a formula to find the unknown resistor from Kirchhoff's law. In the first part of the experiment, value of Q is 101.25, but the expected value is 100. In the second part of the experiment, the value of the Q is 152.54, but the expected value is 150. In the last part of the experiment, the value of Q is 277.75, but the expected value is 270. It is obvious that there is an error rate and we can calculate it with this formula. The error rate of the first part of this experiment is 1.25, and the error rate of the second part of the experiment is 1.70, and the error rate of the last part of the experiment is 2.87. Thank you for listening.